Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. We're out here at the Refuge taking a look at this brand new RV garage, 4-bedroom pool home in the Refuge golf course. Hang out, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, this is 1959 East Troon Drive out at the Refuge golf course neighborhood. Plan unit development. $490 HOA quarterly. This one backs right to BLM, open desert. Some vacant lots down here, some new construction. There's still a lot of new construction going on in here. So yeah, underground utilities, natural gas. Looks like there's 2 vacant lots next door. Some new construction at the end of the cul-de-sac. Nice little front courtyard entry with some stacked stone. 8-foot entry door. All right, guys, this is a 4-bedroom, 4-bath pool home built in 2016 out at the Refuge. 1,858 square feet. Sits on an 8,700 square foot lot that backs right to Bureau of Land Management, open desert. This one's been completely remodeled. Just listed about a week ago for $989. So you have a real tall entry, couple bedrooms, nice open living area, tall ceilings in here as well. All troweled down walls and ceilings. Looks like it's already pre-wired for everything. So this is a split floor plan to the right of the home. So all the bedrooms are split, but on one side. So the master and back, other 2 in the front. And this one also has a 1-bedroom, 1-bath casita, which includes the 4-bed, 4-bath. So the interior has a 3-bedroom, 3-bath. Slider out to the backyard pool area. Real nice quartz topped counters. Actually like the tile backsplash on this one as well. Has under lighting, pantry. Took advantage of the natural gas, so they have natural gas stove. All stainless appliances. Nice little informal dining area at the rear here. All right, let's go check out the bedrooms. All right, we're gonna start in the back where the master is. So it has a little guest bath off the living area. Same cabinets, quartz tops. Then that goes into the master. There is a door out to the backyard pool area. Then you have your master bath, has a door, same quartz, counters, and cabinets. You have your tiled walk-in shower with a glass door, cool towel work, has a rain head at the top. Of course, you have your walk-in closet and a toilet with its own door. So we're going back towards the entry. You have a indoor laundry to the right and a double door guest bedroom. Call this guest bedroom number 1. Standard double door closet. So this has a Jack and Jill guest bath. So these are almost like dual master suites over here. You have a same quartz counters and cabinets. And then this kind of wraps around into the shower area. Same cool tile work, glass doors. Then this goes and jacks and jills into the front bedroom, which would be bedroom number 3, and they just have this set up as an office. So this is right off the entry when you walk in to your right. So let's go check out the garage and the pool where the casita is. So you also have your indoor laundry off the entry here, garage side. All right, so you have your garage set up, has a 2-car, 36-foot bay, 21-foot wide at the door with an 8-foot insulated door. Does have mini split AC units inside of here. So it looks like there's 2 different depths. They're not measured out individually. So you have a nice double wide RV garage, 50 foot deep, 14-foot door with a 21 wide at the door opening, full hookups. Of course, again, the mini splits. And then they have added a casita in the rear. Of course, that bites into some of your depth. So you have your little casita in the back. It's just a room. There's no kitchen and a bathroom. Has its own AC unit. Nice plank tile floors in here as well. Door out to the backyard pool area. And then your little bathroom. Same cabinets, quartz tops. This is cool for guests. Walk-in shower. Same cool tile work. Goes all the way up to the ceiling. All right, let's go check out the pool. All right, you have a real nice backyard pool setup. Very private. They went extra tall with the walls. Blew out travertine decking all the way. Looks really, really nice. Little covered patio area. TV hookups. Real nice spa with the stacked stone and travertine decking. Have your little seating area over here. You have your little built-in natural gas fed fire pit. Side access. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Troon. Again, this one was just listed about a week ago for $989. I will put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys can get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video as usual. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.